Are you ready to free fly? Are you excited about free flying? Won't that be fun? Yeah. Oh my God! Hello, my fellow sniffers. My name is Marlene McCohen, and you will never believe what we're going to do today. But first, let me introduce you to my best friend, Leo. Now, if you love birds or just want to know more about really cool exotic animals, such as my parrots, then you definitely want to hit that subscribe button and join me on this ride, because today we're gonna do something crazy that you guys might have been waiting for a while now. Now, before I go on, I want to let you know who I am. I'm here making you guys love and learn about parrots one person at a time. There are so many birds locked in people's cages all over this world, and that's why I created my hashtag engage not cage. So I'm trying to show you guys how to not only not cage your birds, but also how to engage with them, which is extremely important. I can't save the rainforest yet, although God knows I'd love to try and save their natural habitat. Obviously wish that birds could be free flying and never be in people's homes, but it's already a crisis. So I'm showing you how to make their lives better, one video at a time. All right, I love you guys. Guess what's happening today? Vinny is going to Vegas. Yes, we're going to Vegas, and when I get in the car, I'll tell you a little bit more about why. This isn't Vinny, by the way. Vinny is my little gangsta talking subtitle bird. This is gonna be good. But I can't leave without getting kisses from this one. Look at this one. Ooh. Are you cute? No. Yeah, that's right, you're not. Yes, you are. No, you are the sweetest. Oh. Vinny's ready to go. Look at my baby. He went right in there, guys. He's like knows he's gonna do something exciting. All right, guys, before you leave, always make sure all of your birds are locked up. If you have more than one bird, there's already 2 loose birds hiding because they don't want me to find them. That would be Jersey and Cody. If you are on my Patreon, you might have seen my exclusive footage where I come home and Jersey was left out. Rocky. That's for Vinny.
He sneaked out. Just kidding.
He snuck out.
He snuck out. You like this box? How about I just take this box over there?
This is a famous box.
Oh, the box. The famous box, that's right. Look at him, keep on his side. He's super excited now. Not anymore. Okay, guys, ready? 1 time for bed, 2 times for bed, 3 times for bed. Okay, guys?
What's up, Vinny?
You ready to go?
Vinny, you ready?
That's it, right? Let's go, man. Let's make this happen. Let's go.
We're gonna. Look, Vinny, it's Vegas! You're a little pink bird with a gangsta attitude going to a big city. So yeah, guys, we're going to meet Jamie and Bondi. Are you excited to meet Bondi? I'm really excited to meet them. I think this is gonna be so much fun, right, George?
Yeah, this is gonna be a cool experience.
Do you remember once you said, hey, this girl's doing what you're doing, and I think you guys would really get along?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because she has the same attitude.
Yeah, so I'm excited. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of positive energy. Vinny's going to Vegas.
No, Vinny is in Vegas.
Vinny's in Vegas. Yeah, Vinny. He's ready. He's so ready for bed. Look, he went in there himself. Okay, Vinny's going to sleep soon. We'll turn the lights off. I hear him eating, so he's gonna keep eating. Okay, this I can't get over. This is like if you want to do a photo shoot. You put bubbles in here, and then I like stick my legs out or something. Vinny, you ready to wake up? I'm not gonna wake you up if you don't say anything. Peekaboo! Oh, mommy's baby. Oh, he's still tired. He's still got his footsie up. Why? I love you. You wanna help me put my makeup on? Shut up. He knows. So this is Vinny. He's helping me put my makeup on right now. And by helping, kind of offers advice, but most of all, he's my company. I haven't been alone without a bird since I was 7 years old, so everything I do with them. And Vinny doesn't really like chew anything. He might throw something, but he's just gonna like chill. I wonder if he understands about the water. You want the water? Look at his face. Makeup by Vinny. Yeah, you like it? Tell them what. The sweater looks good, guys. Oh. Look at your boo-boos. Mommy's boo-boos. Okay guys, we're going to see bird tricks. We're going to watch them do a free flight. So I'm not gonna bring Vinny because I don't wanna stress him out being in a carry-on just like outside when he has this little cage here that he's gonna be in. He's doing pretty well. And he's got the best view that he's ever seen. So maybe some birds will fly by and excite him. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put do not disturb on the door, hopefully, so that nobody comes in. I'm gonna cover him a tiny bit just from one side. So essentially he won't feel like he's covered. He gets this whole view, but just from the back here, so that when you walk in, he has his privacy. Vinny, we're gonna be back, and tomorrow we're doing something exciting and later. I think it'll be interesting for him to have such a nice view. This will be the first time I ever met them, so kind of excited to have a bird friend, another one. We're here. What's up?
Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Do you want to follow me out there?
Yeah, we'll follow you. Okay, cool. She's so cute. She goes, are you okay to go off-roading?
Yeah, look at how dirty her car is right now.
I know, seriously.
That's how mine is gonna look today.
That's why we just got our car cleaned.
Yeah. You always get your car clean and then you have to get it.
Every time I get my Mini Cooper cleaned, I'm on some sort of mountain 2 days later. Okay guys, so we're not gonna free fly. They already did. It was fantastic.
We missed it.
We missed it.
Yeah, like usual.
We went to the wrong. Never mind. Anyway,
Yeah.
but look who we have here, Comet and Bondi. Oh my God, you just straight up pulled a Vinny. Wow, Bondi, you're so beautiful. Such a show
She's
stealer.
tiny though, huh? Hey, cutie.
Oh, so understandable
Color.
too.
She's a different color than
Then Vinny.
Yeah, she's got a little bit of a brownish there.
Oh, she's so beautiful. So the winds were kind of turning, but how gorgeous.
Maybe tomorrow, if the weather looks good, we can try tomorrow.
Beautiful.
Oh my God, beautiful, beautiful birds.
Hey, cutie.
Vinny's gonna love her because she's gonna be like, hey cutie, and he's gonna be like, hey baby.
Really? Because I don't know if he says that kind of nice stuff.
How was your first flight?
Amazing. Both
That was
of them
yesterday,
have been great. Yes, yesterday. Today was the second.
You came all the way out here for Jamie and Dave to be with you on your first free flight.
Yes.
Was
they
it
came
worth
all
it?
the way down. too.
They're amazing, huh?
Yes.
Yeah,
They're
amazing.
amazing.
This place is cool. I
This
like
is
it.
really cool.
That's a cool
I just want, it
location.
feels like I can do
Oh, look
anything.
at all the dust.
George
know,
is, he thinks it's cool because he wants to get on some sort of like four-wheeler, one of those things.
There's
We
everything.
took a
out
hot air
there.
balloon from here the other day.
Yeah.
What the heck kind of life do you guys live? Why do you think she's gonna like Bondi?
Well, it's like she's got that certain type of attitude that like is perfect for her. She's cute. Like and she got those special colors and her eyes are red. She's so cute.
And no, but I think he's gonna like her because she opened her wings and like
And she
did her
said-
head thing just like him. And then what did she say to you? She said, "Hi, cutie."
Hi, cutie.
If
That's
she
what
says
it
that
was.
to Vinny, he's gonna be like, Vinny's gonna meet Bondi. Good morning, Vinny.
Vinny! What's up?
Oh, mommy's baby. Yeah. Okay, guys, I have complete anxiety. We're supposed to meet Jamie and Dave for a free flight. Vinny's throwing a tantrum only. Vinny. Yeah, let's go. Where are you? Vinny, where are you? Hi, boo-boos. Literally, like, the valet had our car and didn't come out for 20 minutes, which has made us late. Like, we were really gonna be on time. And then we're driving and the car has no gas, like it's on 0. So we had to stop. Hey, Vinny. Do you want to free fly? Why don't we just throw you out there and see if you can free fly? What do you think? Vinny, are you ready for your free flight? What do you think, George? Should we free fly Vinny? I mean, we have the professionals.
Yeah, I think it's worth it. Here we go. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. You ready for it?
Yeah.
Vinny, you ready for it?
Vinny, we're gonna take you free flying, okay? This is your moment.
You ready, buddy? Let's go. Come on.
Hey, Vinny, are you ready to free fly? Are you excited about free flying? Won't that be fun? Yeah. Oh my God! Oh my God! Did you get that? I'm just joking with you, Vinny. I'm not gonna free fly you. All right, Vinny, you excited? Yeah, right. You gotta be holding her. Hey, Vinny, are you ready to free fly? Yeah. Oh my God! I scared you.
Yeah, I was like, oh my God, what? I mean,
So that's not Vinny, guys.
do you think they could tell you weren't Vinny from the get-go?
I think so.
Yeah. Oh, cutie, you're the cutest.
Well, we want to fly him a little bit?
Sure.
We'll grab Comet.
pleased with this.
You're like, oh, Vinny, you came back.
Vinny! Vinny, good job, Vinny! Like, if we cut it like that,
Yeah.
good job, Vinny!
Was it good? Are you having fun? Yeah, alright.
Well, that was a success.
I enjoyed that. That was beautiful.
Hey, Vinny. What's up, buddy? How was your free flight? We're gonna go hang out now. You wanna come hang out with us?
What's going on, Vinny? Did you enjoy your free flight? What's going on? Let's go. Right there, right? What's going on? I saw a beautiful girl today. Okay, guys, that was our free flight. We had such a good time. Did you? Let us know in the comments if you would free fly your bird.
If you do want to do something like that, make sure you get good training from people like Bird Tricks.
Yeah.
They know what they're doing.
100%. That was so much fun, guys. I love that. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. I have a video coming up with Bird Tricks on the myths and rumors and truths about free flight. So, yeah, stay tuned.
Hey, Bird.
Oh.